I went ahead and cleaned up where it had dripped on the floor, and I put another line of masking tape so that if it goes anymore, then it will be a little bit easier to clean up. I did clean it up with the alcohol, and that worked really good. I got some drip marks there, which I thought would level out according to the video that I watched, but it doesn't seem to be leveling out. Up top looks really good. The drain, it keeps on going into the drain even though I'm scooping it out. So hopefully when I go ahead to take that thing out, I won't have a problem. I got to figure out exactly when I should take it out, because if it's going to keep on running, I don't want it to harden and then I pull it up, but I also don't want it to be liquid and go down into the drain. So I've got to figure out exactly when I'm supposed to take that out, because I don't give you a time. I'll continue to scoop out the stuff that gets in there. And I guess when it starts to feel like it's getting hard, then I'll pull that thing out. What the heck is that out of there? Something on my tub. A dot. I don't know whether that's a spot or something that fell on it. I'll scoop some out of the drain and put it on there right now before it gets too late. Alright, that's all I'm going to do for now. Be back later.